What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. I am in Louisville, Kentucky at Mr. Tony Cox's house. And if you can see behind me, we have a group here. We've got Percy, we've got Walter VVoltz, who's got this beautiful Triumph right here. Look at this thing. You're not going to find another one that looks like that. This thing is incredible. We're just sitting here hanging out. Percy and Walter came from the DC direction. I came from the Illinois direction. We're just out here kind of like taking some bike boarding pictures, hanging out. It's a beautiful evening tonight, and we're just taking video, photo, and all that, just hanging out. Tony cooked up some awesome steaks, and we're just out here now just kind of just enjoying our bikes and each other's company. So let's go say hi to some of the guys.
Yeah, you're going to want to lick it when you see it.
Tony, who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Moose Knuckle Mike.
Hi, Mike.
Hey, buddy. So did Walter buy that bike like that?
Yes.
And there's Walter himself. That's who Mike's talking about.
No, man.
Walter, tell everybody, where did you ride from?
Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C.
Yeah.
How many miles?
It was 600 miles.
600 miles, and you did that
that's
on this. Look at this thing. This thing is sick. You're not gonna find another one of these Triumphs anywhere, man. This thing is sicker than me after 20 White Castles. This is beautiful.
He's in full blood.
But he may have some preparation H in his future
I'll tell
for the
you what,
grapes.
dude, when it comes to Fat Bob, I think Percy's sitting on probably the best looking Fat Bob out there.
Dude, Percy does have the best looking Fat Bob out here. Look at this thing. This thing's disgusting. In a good way.
She's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's
Mr. Cox is going to make her a porn star, a bike porn star.
On OnlyFans?
She's hot.
Oh my God.
We're gonna have a webcam when I bathe her here tomorrow.
Oh my.
So make sure you check the channel and sign up to watch her on the.
So who's wearing the Daisy Dukes?
Not me.
Ain't
You
gonna
don't
be
want to
me,
see
brother.
that.
It'll be Walter. He can fit in them after
Yeah.
riding that Thruxton down here.
Oh yeah, definitely happening. We'll get some slow-mo B-roll. Yeah, I'll just play some Def Leppard, and I'll just get my hair all wet, and I'll just, it'll be a good time.
Jessica Simpson.
And here's Thicky, ye old Thicky, the bike I named, Tony's bike. It's disgustingly good looking too. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to get more subscribers, not lose the ones I got, man.
Well, make sure you go over and check out Being Here Now with Percy's channel.
Being Here Now with Percy.
And he's got a merch store. I just bought a T-shirt too.
Look at that
so-
shirt. That's a badass
Look at that.
shirt.
Look at that.
I picked up 2.5 additional horsepower on the way down because of that shirt.
Oh, I didn't see any eagles though. You may have lost a few.
Yeah.
No eagles.
Gotta have, Eagle adds 10 horsepower.
That's inside. That's called the torque cam.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're stage 2 now, aren't you?
Yeah. I got
stage
10
2.
eagles inside that cam.
Ah, nice.
We were a little burnt
Yeah,
out.
this
We
bike
didn't do
looks
much riding
great.
today.
Best looking
Yeah.
Fat Bob I've ever seen. Sorry, Roger, but this one a little nicer than Linda, I gotta say.
Okay. All right.
And then you guys are probably sick of seeing this one. This is my bike. But yeah, I can't get over this. This bike is just, my God. This bike is so nice. I just want to take myself some video with it. Look at that. That thing's disgusting. Looks great. So I rode here 300 miles today from Illinois. Tony lives in Louisville. It was actually pretty good on this bike. This bike is made to crush miles on the interstate. It ran so smoothly, so nice. And I think I stopped once for gas. That was it. One time. That's the only time I stopped. About 160 miles in, I stopped, filled up my tank, and made it the rest of the way on what I had in my tank from that point. Tomorrow, we're going to be riding some MMM routes, so make sure you guys stick around for that. That's coming up here very soon. We're going to check out some routes we're going to ride before the Moto Meet-Up, and we also found out that MMM is officially going down. You know, there's always been some up in the air stuff about it because of COVID, but COVID is not keeping this event from happening. It is happening. We just got that confirmed today at the dealership because we went to Bluegrass, and it's happening. So if you guys had plans to come, keep those plans because it's happening.
The next day.
All right, ride starting. Tony, Walter, Percy, and Phil came to join us today for the ride, so we're all going to do some MMM routes. So we're here at Bluegrass again. This is the meetup spot for today. This is where the Moto Meetup's going to be, and We're gonna see where we're gonna head out here in a couple months. Check out the routes. What Tony's got in store for us. It's a little gloomy out, but I think the rain's supposed to hold off. We got spritzed on this morning, that's for sure. I better ride in the middle. Slim Sport Glide. And then Triumph, no, Fat Bob and Triumph. Hell, I think this is probably the biggest group I've ridden with since MMM.
There's a live wire.
Man, all those things are going to be good for us, test rides.
Yeah, I think so.
So it looks like we're hitting some interstate for a scotch. We're going to hit 60 and get off on Highway 60 and just ride. It's nothing like this. We're not going to be riding a lot of interstate on this route. Damn, whoever that was sounds like a NASA astronaut. So we were expecting sun today, but guys, this is what we got, you know? You just make the best of what you got.
I'm just ready to get off these fucking busy roads, man. I'm over them. Oh shit!
What's that?
Got a truck. This is where we gotta take a right here, but watch this truck coming up.
Shit, okay, I got you. I'm gonna drop back behind him.
Thanks for the heads up. Well, watch that Civic.
Come on, dude, let me over. Nice call out there, Tony.
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah. Man, you're so clear, Tony. You moto vloggers and your perfect audio setup.
Goddamn cars, man. Yep, you're gonna get right in between us, aren't you? So the only thing I don't like about the interstate.
Alright guys, this exit up here, getting off.
27? Yep, I got it.
This clouds, is this rain or is this the Sahara?
I don't know, dude. I've had like, I don't know if it's bugs or water or what, but I've had like 2 slam into my head here. I'm glad you said that. I was wondering if I was the only one. We're getting off here on 27.
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright. Yeah, we're here. I missed my self-canceling turn signals.
Oh, right. Everybody makes fun of Harley but on the turn signals, but that's a nice thing they've got.
It's super nice. It's a nice perk, yeah.
So that sweet sounding exhaust you guys are hearing right now is coming from D-Cycle. Woohoo! That's what is that, Dust? That's a Tab Performance, right? Yes, sir. When he goes through the drive-thru at White Castle, everybody in a car grabs their butt thinking they had an accident. So Tony, this is the exact route we're going to take for Bluegrass?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully this won't be here. I mean, we could have, when we get to the point up here, I'll show you where we could have taken the expressway to.
Is this that same detour we took last night?
Yeah, they're working on the road there, so they won't let you through.
So guys, there's a really cool little old post office here.
Yeah.
When you come down, it's right over here on the left somewhere.
Percy's talking about my post office up here. This is where I mail all my stuff.
Is that where you get all your free shit from all your sponsors?
Yeah, you probably see it on the podcast or on
you and your damn 80,000 subs. There you go, right there.
Oh wow. The packages have to be really small, otherwise they don't fit in the. Yeah. And you know the funny thing is they take a lunch break, so if you go between 12 and 1:30, they're closed.
They need a break from handling all them packages from Tony. Tony's package is just too much. I like this.
Yeah, this is nice.
Screw that city life, man. Give me all the country you can.
Yeah.
No offense. Well, you know,
right.
the clouds suck, but we could not have asked for better temperature here. Oh, man, this is the best. You want to gear up, man? This is primo.
Yep.
Yesterday, Tony was making enough biscuits. I think he made a baker's dozen. He had extra.
I did. Right up here, guys, if you look to your right, you'll see a bunch of tombstones. There was a massacre. I don't know what it's for, but it's up here a little bit at the bottom of the hill. I think we might have passed it. I might have told you all a lie. No, here it is, right here on the right.
Oh, and that little fence there. Oh, look at that! Look at that!
It was some type of massacre in the Civil War, I think.
Wow. Oh, dude, Gettysburg was a massacre.
Yeah.
You sure those aren't the graves for all the different versions of Colonel Sanders?
It could be.
Fried chicken on a donut.
Slow your roll through here, you'll get a ticket.
Did anybody try that chicken sandwich on a donut?
No, it sounds delicious though.
That sounds like a heart attack.
How the hell do you eat that thing?
I don't know, dude. It's just one way to attack it. Just go straight in. 2 hands, you're gonna get messy. Fried chicken on a donut.
So this is Simpsonville.
Does Bart live here?
Yeah, it's basically it's basically 2 lights.
Is it right next to Shelbyville?
Yeah, Shelbyville's on up. That's where we're headed to
Check
now.
your speed.
Holy shit, that's like The Simpsons. Only
Dude, we have a Springfield and a Shelbyville in Illinois.
next to each other.
Yeah, they're like within an hour.
That's hilarious.
And actually, I thought that our Springfield was actually based off where the Simpsons live, but they actually gave that title to another Springfield.
Yeah, they actually made a competition when they were gonna premiere the movie.
Yeah, we didn't win. I was hoping we would, because we have a smokestack and everything, just like the nuclear plant that Homer works at.
Nice.
Hey,
Virginia
look,
also
it's
has-
a-
Yeah, but do you guys all wear muumuus and carry poking sticks?
But I don't think going through here with the group would be that bad. It's only 2 lights.
No, dude, this is fine. It might get.
Look, it's a Corona market.
Social distancing, people. Where's your mask?
You can get some COVID cumbers there.
COVID cumbers.
In DC, they also have farmers markets that are still open somehow.
Dude, these little farmers markets, they're the best.
Yeah, you want some sausage?
Right there.
That's a big sausage.
Old folk sausage.
Sausage, that's a sausage factory, huh?
So if we would have stayed on the expressway, this is where we would have come out at, right here. We would have bypassed all that.
Now, I think that's a good ride, man. I think you definitely want to go this route.
All right.
We may just have to set up a rally point on the other side of these lights for the first group to kind of hold up on, for everybody to make it through.
Tony, so we're heading out to Colonel Sanders' wife's restaurant?
Yeah, it's Claudia Sanders. It's the last one, and it's right up here. We'll stop and pull in.
Okay. Sweet. You get some fried chicken. Is that the same recipe?
So she
Yeah, dude, it's fucking good.
She doesn't have a military, I guess, rank.
So me and Tony watched most of Waiting last night. He saw the origin of the Batwing.
Oh, nice.
It's all alive and veiny like a Batwing.
So this up here on the right is one of the smaller horse farms. The big ones you really don't get to until you get to Lexington.
Oh, look at him out there.
Yeah.
Beautiful out here.
Yeah, it is. This is God's country. Are they mounting each other? We get that on film? Are they all males?
I don't know. Hey, baby. Shit, guys, I don't know. I don't mind the overcast.
I like it.
Yeah. Oh, god damn, that's a bump.
Hang on.
Oh, that ain't bad. You just must have went over the crusty part.
Shit, man, I think one of my minis hit me in the face.
Claudia Sanders Dinner House. Check that out, man.
This is where the Colonel's wife lived.
Yep.
Dang, dude, she got it going on back here.
Is that a statue of Claudia Sanders up front?
Oh, dude, she's got her jugs out.
Oh my God, Claudia, cover up, babe.
She better not ride the live wire topless. She'll get her jugs in a knot.
She's gonna get the Corona.
The areola Corona.
The areola Corona.
Okay, so we just stopped. We're here at Claudia Sanders house and restaurant. This is a pretty cool and pretty big place. Here, I'll give you guys kind of a sweep. It's not open now currently, but it's something that Tony wanted to bring us by and stop at because it's such a historic and cool place here in Kentucky, because we all like KFC chicken, right? Well, I guess the chicken here is supposed to be just as good or maybe even better. But so you can see why the Colonel liked her so much. She's just out there, man. So odds are the Colonel got busy up in one of these rooms up here. This is
It's tender, it's juicy, it's delicious.